Hello, my name is Sam and I'm a solicitor at Latitude Law. I'm going to talk to you today about the question of if I have committed a criminal offence in the UK, will I be deported? Now, a frustrating answer straight away is that it's complicated. It depends on the length of your sentence. If you've been sentenced for less than 12 months, you will not be deported unless you are a persistent offender or the Home Office believe your deportation would be conducive to the public good. If you've been convicted of a sentence of between 12 months and 4 years, you are likely to be deported unless you're able to rely on one of three exceptions. The first exception is the private life exception. That is if you have, so to meet that exception, you need to meet three things. You need to have been in the UK lawfully for most of your life. You need to be socially and culturally integrated into the UK, and there must be significant obstacles to your integration in your home country. If those three things are present, you could rely on the private life exception. Then a second exception is the partner exception. So if you are in a genuine and subsisting relationship with a British and settled person, you may be able to rely on this exception if it would either be unduly harsh for you to return to your home country, or it would be unduly harsh for your partner to remain in the UK without you. The third exception is the child exception. So you must have a genuine and subsisting relationship with a British child or a child who's lived in the UK for 7 years. It must then either be unduly harsh for the child to live in your home country or unduly harsh for them to live in the UK without you. So those are the three exceptions if you've been convicted of an offence and received a sentence of between 12 months and 4 years. There's also the opportunity to argue for general, very compelling circumstances. If you've been convicted of an offence of over 4 years, that is your only argument. Your only argument is that there are very compelling circumstances over and above the other exceptions. If you've been convicted of a criminal offence, how you deal with the deportation side of it depends on the level of your sentence. But it's always best to get in front of things and write to the Home Office with your submissions before they make a decision. So if this applies to you, please get in touch with Latitude Law and we can do our best to help.